Whenever you watch videos from most of your favorite creators, you realize that maybe 5 seconds to the video coming to an end, you see other suggested videos appearing on the screen of that particular video you are watching, and you've always been asking yourself, wow, they look so beautiful, it shows me what to watch next. How do I make that to happen to me also? How do I apply that in my own videos? Those things you see, or those suggested videos, we call it end screen on YouTube, because you can choose to call it end screen, you can choose to call it end card, or you can call it end slate. Those three names are speaking of one and the same thing. Those things you see, or those things you're wondering about, those things, those are the names that they are called. So maybe you loved it so much, and you have been asking yourself, how do I achieve this? How do I make these things to also appear on my videos? Because end screens are very important. They are very important to promote your other videos. You don't just want to have views on that particular video, you obviously want to have views on all of your videos. So end screens are very important if you want to promote your other videos. If you want to get views on all of your videos, you should definitely get into the habit of applying end screens to your YouTube videos. And when it comes to end screens, you can create it on your own, but that's not what we are going to be talking about. We are going to be talking about the easiest one, because it's not easy also to create end screens by yourself. We are going to be talking about how to apply custom end screens to your YouTube videos. I am going to be showing you on the YouTube web how you can apply custom end screens to your YouTube video. So without any waste of time, let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is to go over to Google and search for youtube.com. Okay, this is the web address of YouTube. It has appeared already. It's taking a little time. Okay, here we are at the home screen of YouTube. So you just need to tap on your profile picture. You tap on your channel. Okay guys, this is your channel. Your channel has appeared, and these are the videos you have uploaded to your channel. So you just need to tap on that video that you want to add an end screen to. So let me tap on this video. Okay guys, this is a video I would love to add an end screen to. So what I'll need to do is to tap on edit video. You tap on edit video. So it's almost the same thing, almost the same formula with what we did using the YouTube Studio app on our phone. So it's the same thing that you see here. So even though you cannot really add an end screen, I'm not sure there is, yes, you cannot add an end screen to your YouTube videos through using your phone. You can only do it through the web. So this is it guys. You can see this is it, end screen. This is it, end screen. So you just need to tap on that feature. Here we are guys, here we are. As I said earlier, end screens are added at, let me say, at the period of 5 seconds when your video is about to come to an end. 5 or 10 seconds when your video is about to come to an end. So just to direct people what to watch next. So you can see the various elements. The first one, we have one video. If you want to add one video, one suggested video, and one subscribe, if maybe you do not have like a subscribe button that ends with your video. Here we have one playlist. Playlist comprises of many videos. You can even have up to 20 videos, 30 videos in one playlist. So if you want to add one playlist and one subscribe button, you can do that. Here we have one video, one subscribe. Here we have one video, one playlist. So it depends on what you want. If maybe you want to to suggest, but your playlist, you can tap on any of them. You make your choice. So let me say I want one video, one subscribe. So I will need to tap on this. Okay guys, you can see this is our end screen has appeared already on our video. It has appeared already. You don't need to allow it that way. Once it has appeared, you just need to tap on it, the end screen. So okay, once you tap on the end screen, you see some suggestions here. They say allow best for viewer. The one that is there now is best for viewer. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. Or you can choose, either you leave it that way. It's like saying that YouTube, it's like using the custom, saying that YouTube should be the one to apply an end screen. Or you can choose to do it by yourself. So if you want to do it by yourself, tap on this number 3 dot that says choose specific video. Tap on it. Your videos are going to appear, so you just need to choose the video you want to use it as your end screen. Let me say this is the video I want to use as my end screen. Okay guys, as you can see, this video has appeared, and now this is the subscribe button. This one is a subscribe button. That's it. You can see subscribe to Rita Benjamin TV. So that's how your end screen is going to look like. Let me just go ahead and tap on save. That is it guys. Once you have done that, then it means that your end screen has been applied. So what you just need to do is to go over to YouTube, or you can choose to watch the video here and see if it has really worked, or you can go over to YouTube and watch your video there and you see that your end screen is there. So that is it guys. That is it. That is how you can do that. So that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And before we go, let me go over to YouTube and watch this video so that I can show you practically that our end screen has been applied. Okay guys, let me open the YouTube app. This video is the video I have just applied my end screen to. So let me go and watch. That is going to prompt them to subscribe to your channel. So it is very important for you. So I just believe that if you start doing. Okay guys. Wow, it's so beautiful. So guys, you can see our end screen has appeared. Well, I really, since from the moment I discovered how you can apply end screen to your videos, I have been using it because it's so amazing. You can see it is very broad. It tells your viewers what to watch next. So it is, you can see everything, your thumbnail, your title, everything is just there. So that is it guys. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified about it. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that it will tell YouTube that the video is of value, and they are certainly going to be recommending it to other people that are going to, of course, get value from it also. Thank you so much for watching. And okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was of value to you, and if it was, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are going to be the first to be informed. And make sure you drop your comments below. If this video was of any value to you, drop your comments below and let me know. And if you do subscribe, make sure you let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see all of your comments and reply to them. In advance, let me wish you a happy welcome to my YouTube family and also to my YouTube community. I hope to see you all in my next video.